Oh, you betcha.
That's right, brother.
What's up, everyone? What's up? Okay, we're going back to the other side. The last one was at the other side, but the other side fires, and Headbanger is literally, minutes up the road, and it's a completely different wave, so it's a good spot. Not to say that Dutch shoe wouldn't have gone off today. Could have. It was actually already going on the camera, but it's not even 10 o'clock yet, and the swell wasn't even supposed to fill in till after 11, but it's already blowing, and it's super, super warm. It's almost 80 degrees. So I just swung by Lowe's. I had to grab some more hardware for the bed that's almost done, that I was filming some yesterday of, which you haven't seen any. And so it's supposed to be like close to 7 feet today, 8-second periods. It's pretty much like we better go. And like I said, everything says it's supposed to fill in between 11 and 2. So, but the last time it said that, it got really good after dark. We are out there. You will see shortly. Super pumped. Laura might surf. A bunch of people might come out. It should be good. Even if no one comes out, it'll also be good. And we're off. Firing, and check out the anyways, it's firing, and we gotta go.
Sure what I got with this last part. If I got the last wave on the GoPro with no sound that I just had out here, that was a good one. Laura got a couple good ones on her phone. Oh yeah, the wind completely changed. So now it's like the exact opposite of what it was. Anyways,